Land Rover's Defender is known for its rugged capabilities, iconic shape, and go-anywhere attitude. But one thing it's never offered straight from the factory? A convertible roof. That's where Urban Automotive, in collaboration with Dutch outfit Heritage Customs, steps in, creating a jaw-dropping drop-top Defender 90 that blends bold design with open-air luxury. While Heritage Customs handled the convertible transformation, cutting the roof and fitting a folding soft top and roll bars, Urban Automotive took care of the rest, dialing up the style to an entirely new level. This isn't just a modified Defender, it's an elite statement piece, perfect for both Dubai dunes and Marbella coastlines. The exterior is decked out in Urban's wide-body kit, featuring flared fenders, a sculpted vented hood, LED daytime running lights, and carbon fiber wing mirror caps. Additional flair comes from front aero flicks, custom badging, and a stunning set of 23-inch Urban WX2R black wheels wrapped in Yokohama Advan Sport tires. The overall effect is muscular, modern, and undeniably exotic. But the real star of this custom Defender? The interior. The cabin has been completely reimagined in Hermes orange leather, turning heads and radiating luxury. The rear seats and dashboard have been lavishly reupholstered, while the front gains carbon fiber-backed Recaro seats, also dressed in that bold orange hue. Even the steering wheel gets the bespoke leather treatment, tying the design together with a consistent upscale finish. And while the bright color scheme may not be everyone's cup of tea, there's no denying that this is a high-end, handcrafted vehicle for someone who wants their Defender to stand out in every way. Pricing hasn't been fully disclosed, but it's safe to say this creation sits well into six-figure territory. In fact, the soft-top conversion alone from Heritage Customs costs €85,000, which is roughly $99,000, and that's before Urban's aggressive upgrades and premium materials come into play. Displayed at the Goodwood Festival of Speed, this one-of-a-kind Defender proves that even the most rugged vehicles can be reimagined with luxury, style, and open-air freedom. For off-road enthusiasts with a flair for fashion, this convertible Defender may just be the ultimate summer ride.